Hey everyone, back with my fan collector friend Samus Arnold from Rockford, and one of his other favorite fans is this four-blade blender fan. I've had this for quite a few years now, and I've seen these too at Blains Farm and Fleet at locations in my area, and so has he. He loves these things at Blains Farm and Fleet, pretty high up, and these are exactly that.
Yeah, exact version too.
Yeah, those are actually plastic blades, with the wood grain style. The other type of blades that these came in is fiberglass blades.
Yeah.
And that would be, this is for my 3-blade one.
Okay.
See the fiberglass?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fiberglass, and that 3-blade one's right next to it, right there. So we're doing the 4-blade one. I haven't had this one out in quite a while. So what you're going to do, I have it set to on already, so you can pull the chain once, and that's going to be low.
Okay.
Can you reach that, or do you want to step? Okay. Okay, so I haven't tested it with this meter yet. So we're going to let it speed up. So it's drawing 0.38 amps, and so what you're going to see out of this one is like a medium type speed.
It's moving a good bit of air.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that certainly is. And it's already drawing 0.38 amps. And this time it's doing 37 watts. And a power factor close to 1, so just over 3/4. So this is, like a medium-low type speed. Now pull it again once. And now you got high. Okay. All right. I mean, this is as fast as this thing goes. Really, it's not the fastest fan, but it's really strong.
Yeah.
This is a pretty strong one. It's got a steeper blade pitch. But this is K55, just like the ones at Blains Farm and Fleet. I could tell those are K55 and not K63. Yeah, because the one you see in my bedroom is the 3-blade K63 one.
Yeah.
Slightly bigger motor than this. All right, let's see what's it drawing on high. So this is the one thing I do with pull chain fans is I'm testing the factory speeds, 0.69 amps at 71 watts, and still just 0.85, 0.86 power factor. All right, so you can come back to the test rig.
Okay.
And we're going to do spin down with it, where you just turn off the black switch. Okay.
Yes. Those are definitely childhood for me.
Oh yeah, me too. I've seen both kinds, but I've seen a lot of the 3-blade type.
Yeah, I don't think I've actually seen any installed before.
Really? Huh. Well, there was that bowling alley that had one 3-blade on each end of the bowling alley, and then the middle with these 4-blade ones. So this has got good bearings, long spin down. yes. See, that's a long spin down.
Yeah, especially considering it's not very fast.
Yeah, it's not the fastest. Okay. Now we're going to do decade box on this one. It's already set to high. So you can start with 1. What I remember. 2. 3. Okay, it's starting on 3. Now, normally with factory speeds, I would have done reverse, but there's no reverse on this. I usually do all the factory speeds in reverse as well, because the current draws are a little, yeah, go up to 4. Let's see what's drawing, 0.19. So you're getting an aesthetic low right now. Let's go up to 5. Okay, let's see if it does anything. Let me just... Yeah, it's still kind of aesthetic, but...
Yeah.
You can go up to 6. Okay. So, one thing I do is on 2-speed, I can find a way to like split one of the wires in there, and add a capacitor value with this decade box, and see what value I need on the low speed setting. I could actually create a third low speed like this. Okay, go to 7. Yes, I've done that with 2-speed originals.
Yeah.
Where I set it to the low speed and then use the decade box to find a slower speed, and that factory low speed becomes its medium. So then it turns into a 3-speed versus a 2. Okay, let's go to 8. All right. That's a good medium low. That's kind of close to factory low right there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to 9. And go to 10. Let's go to 10. Let's see what's it drawing, and we'll now bring it back to 1, because I'm going to hit the 10. So 10 and 1, that's 11.
That's a good speed right there.
Yeah. And then let's hit 12. Yeah, 0.61, yep. I think we're right on the money with high, so we can't really go too high on the decade box. From what I remember, testing this with Tommy way back, a few years back, probably when I first acquired this space.
Yeah.
So I can always hit high if I wonder if I'm over or at level. Okay. So I got a little ways to go. Okay, so I got a little ways. Let's do 13. And then 14. So I'm right pretty much there. Let's see if I hit high. 6, 9, 14. And if I hit 15... Okay, at 15, I'm going over, just starting to go over on this one. So, yeah, there's really no good 4-speed for this one.
No.
So, one of the things, depending, what works well on this one
What?
is I have a Fasco choke control
Yeah.
that came with my first-gen Charleston. And that worked beautifully on this fan. I got all the speed range that I want. It's a 4-speed.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. It's not capacitor based. yeah, it's a transformer or choke coil. So it kind of uses more of resistance. So a more resistor-based type control
Yeah.
would actually work on this fan. So what we can do now that we've done the decade, we can do solid state. I usually stop this by hand after the first spin down. All right, want to do solid state variable.
Okay.
We gotta see what this does on that. So I haven't. Okay, I gotta switch it. This routes, what this does is it's now route to capacitor system.
Yeah.
High, all the capacitor controls. And then switch it out to a solid state. This is like one of those 3-way or 2-way switches. So it switches now and routes through the solid state control. Keep inching it up until it starts. Okay, let's see what it's drawing. Yeah, this one also takes a lot to get it going. It's here. Real quiet.
I can't hear anything from here, so.
This is the speed I usually try to tell if it's good on solid state. I can't hear anything.
Me neither.
Yeah, a lot of K55s are really good on solid state. Okay, want to go up some more on it? All right, let's go up a little more on that. Go up. Yeah. Usually I go. All right. And then you want to go up some more on this one. So I'll probably bring it to high. You're close. I can tell it's already. Let's just bring it to high. Let's see, make sure. Yep.
Yeah, that thing actually does look good air.
Cool in here.
Oh yeah. And then we can even do the airflow test to show you like a K55. Let's see what's drawing. 0.68 amps. Yeah. How's that? This is like K55 movement I can feel. Yeah, where it's... Yeah, these are heavy blades. It's slightly faster on straight high, but yeah, but basically, yeah, that's the blender fan. So,
Yeah, one of my favorites.
yeah, mine too. Although I've seen 3-blade and 4-blade, both types, in a lot of places. The Milwaukee Public Museum, there was like a gift shop that had like a window display that faces the street, and right at the ceiling in that windowed stage area of the gift shop that was like the front wall that had big windows.
Yeah.
There was a 3-blade blender fan up there.
That reminds me, actually, when I was in Lake Geneva, I saw this one building that had this like open window, like entryway.
Yeah.
And I saw something that looked just like this.
Oh.
It had
Yeah.
the switch housing like that, and it had blades similar to it as well.
Oh, that
Sonic Air.
could have been, a Sonnet Air. Very well be a Sonnet Air. Oh, yeah. But yeah, I used this in my bedroom at one point and put a light kit on it.
Yeah.
What I used was a spherical. That's the one place I remember these heavily as a kid at. There's this water park in Wisconsin Dells, Noah's Ark.
Yeah.
And I think there was one gift shop arcade building, it was the Ark itself, that had these.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, in the water park. So it was this one gift shop that had a few of these, and they had light kits on them with the sphere globe.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so I remembered them that way, and I put a light kit on mine, exactly the ones that they would have had.
Yeah.
Which I just thought was cool because it was something I used to eye out. So anytime I seen these 4-blade ones, one of the common things I would see on them is a light kit.
Yeah.
Or bowling alleys too.
Yeah, might be going to a bowling alley tomorrow, so.
I wonder if that one's gonna have good fans at it.
Hopefully.
That would be cool. Cause I know that one, the one I took with Dane to his mom took me to.
Yeah.
That one was blender fans galore.
Yeah.
It had like 20 of these.
Yeah, I remember seeing the video on that. That's pretty cool.
It was. God, that was just awesome. Yeah. Well, that's all for this blender fan. So now I know more of, because I don't think I ever tested it with the test rig in a long time, so I couldn't remember. I don't think I even had a video on this one. So yeah, at least now I do. So I know what kind of control to use if I pull this out again.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's all for this video, for this fan. So probably do some more fans. I got lots of time myself. Whatever you want to do, I'm fine with. Alright?
Okay.
So, I'll cut the video.